Hi students, welcome to today's class. Today onwards, I am explaining the previous year problems which were given in previous JEE examinations. Today, I am going to explain the problems given in 2022 JEE Mains examination from the chapter Definite Integration. Let us see the first problem. So, here one function is given. So, this is f of theta is equal to sin theta plus integral of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin theta plus t cos theta of f of t d theta. Then the value of integral 0 to pi f of theta d theta. What is the value? Okay. So, let us see this problem. So, ultimately what you have to find out? We have to find out f of theta. So, here it is given f of theta. It has two terms. One term is sin theta. There is no integrals, there is no differentiation, nothing. So, very clear. First term is very clear. Coming to the second term, see here, it is an integral from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. If you observe, this integral is with respect to theta, That means, whatever may be the quantity which does not involve theta, integrand, which does not involve theta in the integrand, that is treated as constant. Okay, now first let us find out the f of theta value. So, here f of theta is equal to sin theta, as it is I will write down, plus, see here this is sin theta plus t cos theta f of t. That means you multiply this f of t for both the terms and you separate the integrals also, and remember here with respect to theta we are doing, other terms are treated as constant. So, this is equal to, we can take f of t constant outside, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 sin theta d theta. Okay, na? Here second term is t into f of t, that is a constant. You can take outside t into f of t, integral minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2 cos theta d theta. So, that means here if it is theta, whatever may be the integrand, the function should be in terms of theta. Here also d theta. So, whatever may be the integrand, that should be function of theta. Other terms they are treated as constants, then we can put it outside. Here I have put it f of t outside, here t into f of t, they are treated as constant, right. Now, coming to what is this value? So, this is equal to sin theta plus, if you observe here sin theta is an odd function, okay. Clearly f of x is equal to sin x is an odd function from minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2, minus a to plus a, f of x is an odd function, its value is 0. Completely its value is 0. Therefore, the second term is vanished. Coming to here, t into f of t, integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 cos theta. Actually, you can calculate this cos theta integral sin theta, upper limit, lower limit, you can calculate, but no need. There are some fundamentals you have to remember. What is that? It means, see the, so this is from minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2, minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So, this is a 1, this is a cos x graph. So, cos 0 is equal to 1, cos pi by 2 0. Always remember its area is, this area is there, no, this area is 2 square units. The top, this you call it as a hill or topi or whatever may be that cap, you call it as a cap. This cap area is 2 square units, okay, na, 2 square units. So, therefore, t into this value is 2. So, therefore, 2t f of t, 2t into f of t, okay, na. Now, coming to our problem, so in f of t, substitute this value and we will get the answer, okay. Let us continue our solution. Welcome back to our solution. So, here we got f of theta is equal to sin theta plus 2t f of t we got. Now, let us calculate this value. So, first 0 to pi by 2, f of theta d theta is given by 0 to pi by 2 sin theta d theta. I am separating. So this is a 2t f of t will be the constant 0 to pi 1 d theta. Okay now. So what is 0 to pi by 2 sin theta? So I will tell you short trick. Don't do the complete problem. For sin theta minus cos theta, upper limit, no, lower limit, no need to check. So first listen carefully. So this is equal to 0 and it is a pi by 2 and it is pi. So what is your, this is your sine graph, 0 to pi. This will be your sine graph. This is your sine graph. I already told what is the area of this cap, what is this area of this hill. This is equal to 2 units, I am telling. 2, whatever, whether it is a sine or cos. But is asking 0 to pi by 2. 0 to pi by 2 means what? Only half of the area. 0 to pi by 2, half area. Half area is how much? 1. So therefore its answer is equal to 1 plus 2t f of t. So here 1 integral theta, upper limit pi, lower limit, this is a pi by 2. So this is upper limit pi by 2, lower limit 0. That is called pi by 2 minus 0. This is pi by 2. Okay now. So let us calculate this. So this is a 2 will get cancelled. So this is equal to 1 plus this is a pi into t f of t. Okay, so this will be your answer. Definitely here it should be pi. Here it should be pi. So option C will be your correct answer. Okay, I hope that you understand this solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to second problem. This was also given in 2022 JEE Mains examinations. A very easy problem. This is the value of I is equal to 0 to pi sin x into e to the power of cos x upon 1 plus cos square x into e power cos x plus e power minus cos x dx. So there is a very important formula is there. So we call it as a 0 to a f of x dx is same as integral 0 to a f of a minus x dx. Already I have given the proof for this property also. So we will make use of that property and we will get this answer. Very easy answer. Let us see that. So that is equal to I is equal to, you call it as this as equation number 1. Therefore I is equal to integral 0 to pi. Now here f of a minus x, that means here wherever x is there substitute pi minus x. Okay, now sin of pi minus x is equal to sin x e to the power of cos of pi minus x is equal to minus cos x upon 1 plus, anyway even though it is negative, since the square is there positive will become. So this is e power minus sin x plus e power minus cos x into e power cos x dx. So this is we are doing this with the King's rule. Very nice rule this is. We can using this rule we can solve the majority of the problems. Okay, you call it as second equation. Now next what we will do, adding first and second equations. 1 plus 2, what you will get, I plus I, 2i is equal to, see here the denominator is same, 1 plus cos square x, here also 1 plus cos square x, here e power minus cos x plus e power cos x, e power minus cos x, e power cos x, denominator is same. Coming to the numerator, this is a sin x, e power minus cos x, this is sin x, e power cos x. You can take sin x common outside, so that is this is 0 to pi. So if you take sin x common outside, here e power minus cos x plus e power cos x, here denominator will get cancelled. So here you will get 1 plus cos square x dx. Okay now, so after this the problem is very easy. Okay, so how to do this problem? 1 plus cos square x, cos x derivative is sin x only. So cos x derivative is sin x only. Then we can do the this problem like this. So put cos x is equal to t. What is the derivative of this? Cos x derivative minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Therefore sin x dx is equal to minus dt. Okay now the upper limit and lower limit also will change. So therefore 2i is equal to integral. If it is 0, so these limits from 0 to pi, they are the variable of integration. Here variable of integration is x. Therefore, your x belongs to 0 to pi. So, if it is x is equal to 0, then what will be your t? Minus 1. This is minus 1. If it is cos pi is equal to minus 1. So, cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 0 is equal to 1. If it is upper limit is pi, cos pi value is minus 1. So, sin x dx is equal to minus dt upon 1 plus 1 by 1 plus cos square x means how much? T square. So, here 1 to minus 1, here minus is there. Take minus, we can write it as by applying the property 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Okay, now. So, here upper limit and the lower limit will become interchange by using that minus 1. Okay. Now, so this is equal to tan inverse of t upper limit and lower limit. So, this is equal to 2i is equal to. So, if you apply t is equal to 1, tan inverse of 1 is equal to pi by 4 minus tan inverse of minus 1 is equal to minus pi by 4. Minus into minus plus pi by 4. That is equal to pi by 2. So, sorry, for I value is pi by 4. The answer for this value is pi by 4, your final answer. So, dear students, why I am explaining this problem is, this type of problems are also asking in JEE mains examinations. Don't think that, so JEE examination means all 30 bits will be given very difficult level. Don't think like that. So, this type of problems will be also there, minimum 6 to 7 problems will be there, this type of problems which are easily solvable. Okay. If you solve this type of problems, you can get some respectable score you can get. Even though respectable score, so some students they are getting negative scores are also. So, if you concentrate more on this type of problems, definitely you will get a respectable score. Okay, na? Right. Now, let us see the next problem. Welcome back to this problem. Let m and n be the number of local maxima and local minima points of the function f of x is equal to integral 0 to x square t square minus f of t plus 4 by 2 times t into e power t dt. Then the value of ordered pair m comma n, that is m value, n value. That means this function, how many local maxima values it will have, how many local minimum values it will have. Okay, first of all, if you know the function, then we can easily calculate. If you observe in the calculus part, we explain whatever may be the function. So, it is, if it is a curve, its local maxima or local minima will be obtained when f dash of x is equal to 0. Local maxima or local minima will be obtained, because this is a local maxima. If you draw a tangent, it will be parallel to x-axis. Therefore, what is the slope of the tangent? It is 0. Slope of the tangent is nothing but first derivative f dash of x. Okay. Here also minimum. Minimum means what? So, if you observe at this point, if you draw a tangent, so that will be parallel to x-axis and the slope of the tangent is 0. So, whatever may be that, for maxima or minima, f dash of x is equal to 0. So, first of all, what you have to find out? F dash of x. That means given function, you have to find out the first derivative. That means differentiating with respect to with respect to x on both sides. So, when you are differentiating, so I am telling the solution f dash of x. Here we use the Leibniz formula, Leibniz formula we apply. So, what is the Leibniz formula? Already we know that whatever may be the upper limit, you substitute in t. With respect to t, we are doing differentiation. Substitute here t, you substitute. Okay, na? So, you substitute here. So, this is equal to, already it is t square, t value is x square whole square, x to the power of 4 minus 5x square plus 4 upon 2 into x square into e power x square. into the derivative of the upper limit. What is the derivative of the upper limit? This is a 2x minus, you have to substitute wherever t is there, you have to substitute 0, 0, 0, this is 0, this is also 0. So, you will get again the derivative of 0 is equal to 0, then you will get 0. Therefore, you can avoid this, no need to write down. Okay, now. So, this is your function f dash of x. Okay, so here one x also will get cancelled. Ultimately, what you got, f dash of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x square plus 4 by x into e power x square. Okay. So, for local maxima and local minima, what you have to get? It should be equal to 0. Okay, na? Right. So, what is this is x power 4 minus 5x square plus 4. Now, we can factorize this. You can factorize this easily. How to factorize? This is a x square minus 4 into x square minus 1 is equal to 0. So, we can make this denominator equal to 0, no problem. So, we can, if it is a cross multiplication. So, this is nothing but x plus 2 into x minus 2, this is x plus 1 into x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now, let us see the sign scheme here. Let us see the sign scheme. If you draw the line here, that is the number line here. So, here plus 2, minus 2, plus 1, minus 1 is there. What are the turning points will be minus 2, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay, now, right. What will be your sign scheme to solve it? So, this is a plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus. Plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. From right hand side, you have to write down. Now, so carefully observe here. Where you will get local maxima, where you will get local minima. Observe here. So, if it is a local maxima, that is local maxima. So, if you draw the tangent here, here and here tangent, observe here tangent, if you draw the tangent, this will be the acute angle with x-axis, this will be the obtuse angle with x-axis. Acute angle means what? Slope of the tan theta is less than, the acute angle means what? Lies between 0 to 90, therefore, tan theta is also less than 1, lies in first quadrant. This is a plus and you will get minus. Therefore, if your sign scheme is from plus to minus, you will get maxima. So, here tangent is here. This is a tangent, this is a secant. So, if you if you observe from right to left, we have to always use from right to left. If it is a minus and it is plus, from we have to see from left to right, you have to see left to right only. If it is a plus and it is a minus, then it is maxima. Plus, minus, maxima. Observe here, if it is a minima, this will be your minima. This will. So, if you draw the tangents here, so this will be the minima. If you draw the tangents here, this will be making obtuse angle and it will is making acute angle. Obtuse angle means what? Plus. It is a plus, it is a minus and plus. So, then it will be minima. Okay, now. That means your sign scheme is from plus to minus maxima, minus to plus minima. Okay, minus to plus minima. Let us check here how many changes are there. So, here minus to plus, this is minima, plus to minus maxima, minus to plus minima, plus to minus maxima, minus to plus minima. Understand? Once again telling, minus to plus, here you will get minima, plus to minus maxima, again minus to plus minima, plus to minus maxima, minus to plus minima. See, observe here, how many maximum values you got? So, this is a 1 and it is 2. There are 2 maximum values. So, here maximum values are 2. Maximum here means how much here? M value. So, M is equal to 2. How many minimum values? 1, 2, 3. Minimum values are 3. Minimum values are 3. That is nothing but smaller. Therefore, your order pair is 2, 3. 2, 3 is your answer. Okay. So, from this problem, the first thing what you have to observe is we have to find out the f dash of x. You have to find out. Right. I have find out f dash of x using Leibniz theorem. I have applied. So, for maxima and minima, f dash of x is equal to 0. So, I have written the sign script. Observe here for maxima plus 2 minus. From left hand side you have to check. Plus 2 minus. For minima minus 2 plus. Minus 2 plus. Here this tangent will making a obtuse angle, that is minus. This tangent is for right side tangent making acute angle with x axis. Okay now. So, that is plus, minus 2 plus. See the sign scheme. We will take that and we will count that there is number of times it will getting maximum and number of times you are getting minimum. Okay. So, very nice problem. So, this was asked in 2022 JEE Mains examination. 2022 JEE Mains examination, it was asked. Very nice problem. I hope that you understand the solution. Let us go for next problem. Welcome to this problem. So, this was also asked in 2022 JEE Mains examination. Let f be a differentiable function in 0 to pi by 2, differentiable function, okay. And it is also given integral cos x to 1 t square into f of t dt is equal to sin cube x plus cos x, then the value of 1 by root 3 f dash of 1 by root 3 is equal to. Okay, right. If we know the value of f dash of x, ultimately what you have to find out? F dash of x. If you know the f dash of x value, then in place of x 1 by root 3, we can substitute and we get the answer. Then how to find out this f dash of x means, see here f of t is there, f of t. From that only we have to get f dash of x. Okay, then how to do that? The only thing is differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Understand? So, this function is there now, whatever may be that, differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So, when you start differentiating means you have to use the Leibniz rule. Then how to find out here integration is there, no Leibniz rule. How to do this means whatever may be the upper limit is there, you have to substitute here 1 square into f of 1 into what is the derivative of 1? 0. So, upper part is 0 minus lower part. So, lower limit cos x, substitute here cos x. So, this is equal to cos square x into f of cos x into what is the derivative of cos x? Sin x minus sin x. Cos x derivative minus sin x. So, what is the derivative of sin cube x? 3 sin square x, sin x derivative cos x. What is the derivative of cos x? Minus sin x. Understand this? Now, let us calculate here minus into minus plus. Now, your f of cos x is equal to 3 sin square x into cos x by cos square x into sin x. So, this is equal to cos square x into sin x minus sin x by this is equal to cos square x into sin x. That means, take these two terms to right hand side. Let us see what happens here. Sin x will get cancelled. Here 1 sin x will get cancelled. Here also 1 cos x will get cancelled. Ultimately, what is your f of x is equal to how much? 3 into sin x by cos x. This is equal to 3 tan x minus 1 by cos square x is equal to secant square x. So, this is your function f of cos x. Okay, now, so here f dash, this is a minus cos square x into f of x cos x, right. So, f of cos x. Here cos x value 1 by root 3. So, we will take the differentiation of this. We have to take the why? Because we got only f of cos x, but we want f dash. That's why take the derivative on both sides. Let us see what happens. Dear students, let us differentiate this. So, what is the f of x derivative? F dash of cos x into cos x derivative minus sin x, 3 into tan x derivative secant square x minus secant square x derivative 2 secant x, again secant x derivative secant x into tan x, that is secant square x tan x. Okay na? So, we want f dash of x, f dash of cos x only. That's why f dash of cos x is equal to, take minus sin x to right hand side. Let us see what happens. Already the minus is there, no, the terms will be like this, 2 secant square x into tan x by sin x minus 3 secant square x by sin x. Understand? So, this is your f dash of cos x is equal to 2 secant square tan x by sin x minus 3 secant square x by sin x. So, since here minus is there, I make. So, any more cancellations here? Here we can do some cancellations. So, this is equal to, so f dash of cos x is equal to, this is sin x by cos x, sin x by cos x. Therefore, 1 sin x will get cancelled, 1 by cos x. If this cos x will come in the numerator secant x, therefore, so this is equal to 2 secant cube x minus, here any more cancellations, nothing is there. So, put it like that. So, 3 into secant square x by sin x. Okay, now here f dash of is 1 by root 3. Let us take cos x is equal to 1 by root 3. So, let us take cos x is equal to 1 by root 3. Then what happens? 1 by root 3 means what? Adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side by hypotenuse. This will be definitely root 2. So, substitute all these values, secant x value, secant x value, sin x value there, you will get the answer. So, this is equal to here 1 by, so first we will find out this, afterwards I will tell. F dash of 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 into secant x value is how much? Secant x value is hypotenuse by adjacent side, that means root 3. So, this is equal to root 3 whole cube minus 2 into root 3 whole square by sin x is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is equal to root 2 into hypotenuse will be root 3. Okay now? Right. So, let us calculate this value. Welcome back to the calculation part here. But in the problem, we want 1 by root 3. Here in between starting 1 by root 3 is there. So, let us see here. So, f dash of 1 by root 3 is equal to 2 into root 3 whole cube means what? 3 root 3 minus. So, this is equal to root 3 whole square, 3 3s are 9 root 3 by root 2. So, here root 3 is there, here also root 3 is there. Take root 3 common outside, we can write down here. So, f dash of 1 by root 3 is equal to 6 minus 9 by root 2. So, 2 3s are 6 minus 9 by root 2. So, your answer is 6 minus 9 by root 2 will be your final answer. Okay now. So, I hope that you understand this solution. Dear students, welcome to this problem. The value of integral minus 2 to modulus of 3x square minus 3x minus 6. So, it is also one of the JEE mains examination question. So, already told that, so whenever this modulus function or step function is there, then you have to divide this interval. Why? Because their behavior will change from each subinterval. That means from minus 2 to minus 1, its behavior will change, and 1 to 2, its behavior will change. Then how it will change? Let us see that. First, what is there inside this modulus? Let us check it. So, that is equal to y is equal to, what is that? 3x square minus 3x minus 6 is minus 6. We can take 3 common outside. So, 3 into x square minus x minus 2. So, this is equal to x minus 2 into x plus 1, x minus 2 into x plus 1. We can easily factorize. Now let us take the sign scheme here. So this is a minus 1, this is plus 2. So this is plus minus plus. We can take here also. So here you can take minus 2 and we can take 3. Okay now, right. So minus 1, 2, 3. Minus 2, 2, minus 1 and minus 1, 2. Here you can take 0 also you can take, right. Let us see the sign scheme here. What happens? I will divide this integral into minus 2 to minus 1, minus 2 to minus 1, and so this is equal to, see here what happens. If it is minus 2 to minus 1, so if you observe your graph, this is a plus and it is a minus and it is plus, this is. From minus 2 to minus 1, what will be this function? This is greater than 0. This function 3x square minus 3x minus x is greater than 0. That means this is positive. Positive means what? Modulus of x will become x only. That is equal to 3x square minus 3x minus 6x dx. Plus again minus 1 to 2. Minus 2 to minus 1 and minus 1 to 2. From minus 1 to 2, what will be the sign scheme? Negative. That means this 3x square minus 3x minus 6 will is less than 0. Less than 0 means what? Modulus of x is equal to minus x. So that is how to take the minus of this quantity. That means 6 plus 3x minus 3x square dx. That's all. Very nice. Now you calculate. So this is equal to 3 into x cube by 3 minus 3 into x square by 3 minus 6x. And that also you calculate and you will get the answer 19. So 19 will be one. It is a very, very easy problem. The only thing is take this integrand, see the sign scheme, divide the interval from minus 2 to minus 1 and minus 2 to minus 1 and minus 1 to 2. Okay now, minus 2 to minus 1. Otherwise you can take even then nothing wrong it is minus 1 to 0. 0 to 1, 1 to 2. Even then if you take total, this is a negative quantity only. Total, that is negative only. Okay, right. So I hope that you understand this solution. So dear students, from January 15th also your exams already going to start your JEE Mains examination. So if you feel any difficulty in any chapter, anything, so please comment in the comment section. Definitely I will take up that chapter and those problems for your understanding. Okay now, so let us see the next class.